As a content marketer, if your content calendar is filled with just seasonal content, you should be jailed. Yes, you should be jailed. Even if you're the brand manager, you should be jailed. Hey guys, welcome to Anything Content, and today I have come to fight with some people because anytime I'm scrolling through the streets of social media, I notice that there are some brands that focus more on seasonal content rather than evergreen content. So I'm here to tell you the difference between evergreen content and seasonal content, and which is best for your brand. Evergreen content are content that span across seasons. Meaning you can come up with that content idea today. It has to be value filled. Come up with that content idea today and you can still use that content to run ads in December and nobody is going to bat an eyelid. In fact, to even bring more value once time has passed a little bit. Seasonal content as content that are limited to just a particular season. We're talking the Christmas time, the Valentine time, the New Year period, the Muslim holidays, all those type of season. Now, sometimes when I scroll through the streets of social media, I notice that some brands only focus on those seasons. You see them saying, oh, Valentine sales. You see them saying, oh, Christmas sales. Only you, New Year sales. And those are the kind of content you post. And you wonder why sales are not coming in. You're kind of turning your brand to like a seasonal kind of thing. Also, as a content marketer, you should know how to balance between the two. Personally, I believe that you should have more of evergreen content than the seasonal content. It's not every seasonal thing you should jump on, just as it's not every trend you should jump on. That is a topic for another day. But yeah, it's not every trend you should jump on that pops up on the internet that is actually valuable to you. Yes, some can be fun, right? But not important at that point in time for you. Yeah, so that's all I came to talk about for today. Also, for next video, I'll be talking about content calendars, the types, the platforms you can use to create them on, and the importance. So today's video is short, I get it, but it's not all the time long videos. Also, if you're wondering about my head wrap, God bless me with 4C hair, but I'm tired of combing all the time and it's kind of giving me a headache. So this is how you're going to see me this week. All right, guys, until next time, bye.